We're here at VJ Rice's in Bridgetown, where we're creating some custom gray water heat recovery tanks. Both of the units, as you can see, one in the back and one in the front, are made from an existing culvert size. Typically what we've done is come in and on the wire frame, basically wrapped two full lengths of about 300-330 feet of 3/4 inch PEX. The PEX starts at the bottom and does a helical from bottom to top. So we work with the tank's natural temperature gradient, which is i.e. coldest in the bottom and obviously warmest at the top because hot water rises. So basically the Q Loft building, all the water coming from our showers, from our dishwashers, all that warm, nice quality water that we've paid for gets dumped into these tanks before it goes to the sewer. The water in this loop is actually connected with our heat pump. So we've got a water to refrigerant heat pump which is extracting the heat off these tanks. So we fill one at a time and we discharge them. So on average we figure this to be about 26 degrees Celsius. We'll strip that tank from about 26 to about 5 degrees on the lower end and then we'll flip to the other tank. So we always have one tank in charge mode and one tank in draw mode. So the benefit is that we've already paid for the domestic hot water to be heated, so we're really recapturing the money that we've already spent, which gives us a real big incentive. The tanks themselves will be poured in concrete and then the piping will be knocked out and we'll bury them in the floor of the garage. They'll be spray foamed on the outside and then backfilled. Then the concrete will be poured over top with a manhole cover access. In each of the tanks we will have temperature sensors at equal distances up the tank so that we can see what the actual gradient is in the tank, and on the supply and return lines we'll have temperature probes there. So if we know the flow rate and we know the temperature going into the bottom and the temperature that we get from the top, we know how much energy we've actually collected. That way we can actually verify what the model or the calculations assume. Overall, making use of a pretty standard off-the-shelf item with a little bit of ingenuity, and voila, we've got approximately a 14,000 liter holding tank ready to go for a 72 unit condo.
Okay, thanks a lot, Will.
You're welcome.